started them at 4:30, getting things charged up. My gear all ready. Cooking some McMuffins to bring with. Coffee brewing. Cats. Gonna bike out to this Black Creek. Okay, here we are again. It's 6:30 in the morning. I just biked about 5.5 miles to this Black Creek. It's a tiny little creek. I came over the road. It's so small. There might not be nothing in here, probably not, but I just want to be in a trout setting, and maybe. You never know. I got pants and a coat on because it was 57 this morning, high of 68 today. Beautiful day out. Yesterday it rained all day. The water's finally gone up. This stream wasn't even here yesterday, I'd imagine. I've been trying to get out here. Let's see what happens. Fish on. I guess this is it. Wicked shallow. I can't imagine what it looked like 2 days ago. It was probably just a puddle or two. We got a lot of rain yesterday. Took me about 15 minutes to make it here, and I'm soaked, drenched from all the water on the leaves. Oh, I think I'm gonna tie on a spinner, get to it, throw on my GoPro. At least I'm out in the woods with a fishing pole and a little stream. Alright, we're all geared up here. Here we are. Got the GoPro on. Got my creel, it's got worms in it. I'm gonna start off. Got some worms in my creel. I'm gonna start off with the maps. Maybe a panther martin. And I brought a little hook spinner and I got some worms. I'm gonna try it all. Could catch something out of here, at least a creek chub or something. See, I'm getting bit by stuff, and I got one. Oh man. It's been here like 5 minutes and I just had a little fish. It was silverish. I think that was a creek chub. Pretty nice little creek. Definitely a lot deeper than I thought it was gonna be. Get through here. Yes. Oh, there's that a fat creek chub. Surprised how cold this water is. It's not too deep. Going downriver, so it goes deeper into the woods, and there's a lot of like ponds, more pools back there. It looks like on satellite view. We'll find some spots. We'll figure it out. Oh, nice. First fish of the day. A little creek chub. Tiny, tiny little creek chub. Hey, it's a start. It is a little start right there. A little tiny creek chub right there on the maps. No more than about a couple feet, maybe a foot of water. That's cool. I was hoping I wouldn't have to go back up and cross the road. Walk right under this thing. It's less than an inch of water, but this is fucking cool. I'm out here in the middle of nowhere, really. And here you got this. I would be casting in here, but it's literally no water. nothing getting up here with all these rocks. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is nuts. I'm trying to get somewhere though. Come all this way, not to find a hole, catch some fish. I know they're back here. Oh, see what we can do. Made it about 20 feet up through the dark, thick jungle of a woods. My God. Whoa. What was that? Looks like something was sitting on that rock this morning. It's all wet. Most of these rocks aren't. A little muskrat or a beaver. Gotta find where it opens up, man. Just came through all that. Now that's what I'm seeing. I'll approach this quietly, hopefully. Take a cast. I don't know how deep that is. It could be half an inch. Could be a foot. Could be 3. It's pretty shallow. Nothing but weeds. Gotta be something out here. Wow. It's getting deep. This bank is rough and muddy. Be a good little topwater creek. If there's anything in here. Yes! What is it? Oh, fall. Big ass creek chub, man. At first I thought that was a trout. I seen pink belly. I thought I just caught a trout. It's a big creek chub though. I think I've actually ever caught a creek chub that big. He actually smoked it. He's aggressive. Look at the size of that. Out of this little creek. Yeah, there's gotta be something else living in here. Maybe a smallie or a largie. He's covered in his little fungies. Alright, there you go, buddy. Dude, I thought I had on a brookie there. Oh my God. I seen that pink. I was like, yes. But no, just a big old creek chub. That was cool though. You never know, I could catch a little northern, a little pickerel, a little largie, a little smallie. Probably everything but a trout. Fish on, see you in a minute. just seen a fatter fish. Oh no, that's just a fucking creek chub. I'm gonna make some moves here, I suppose. Keep going, maybe. Gotta be something here. I'm gonna cut around a little ways. Right? Good camping spot. Suppose I can find a canoe up there somewhere or something. And just pools that are set up. You could see little ones, not like this. Bass, little bass, not even little. Doesn't look like it. Pretty nuts. This wall here. Pretty cool, I think. Oh, this is nice back that road. You can hear it. Not far from it, but it's actually a pretty secluded road. Wow. Wow, that's pretty cool. See, that's where the water be coming through out the beaver dam. Probably some chubs hold out. Surprised. Might be because there's a big ass fish in here. Chub. Damn. You should just, you know, it's not. Native chub right there. Chub smokestack. Take a few here. Just. awesome.